Before me, had you ever gotten any results? No. Have you seen results finally after joining Badass class? Yes. No man left behind. We got to get him on the class. Attention to each individual, like Montessori school style.
Credo che sia per rimettere il mio metodo nelle scuole e anche per applicare alla nuova educazione i miei principi.
If you sell informational products online, you're cringe as hell and you keep striking out. Your students don't get any results whatsoever. And you're trying desperately to do B2B, but everybody already knows your newbie knowledge. If you're a newbie and you get a dopamine rush every time you buy a BizOp product, you need to come to Badass class. It's harder to get out of a guru-induced mess than it is to get out of a straitjacket made out of duct tape. This is Badass class. How are you, Mommy?
You did not want to be just a cog in the wheel.
Every billionaire is an alumni of freaking Montessori.
If you want your students to drive the car that you build them, rather than them expecting you to also be the chauffeur like in Driving Miss Daisy, you give them a driving lesson. But don't shoot the messenger.